In Axure RP, there are two types of interactions: page interaction and widget interaction. Click the blank space on the page, then click New Interaction in the Interactions pane to add a page interaction. We add a loaded event to the page. Click on the page loaded event, then select Set Text Action, then search and select phone number. This is the phone number text in the middle of the screen. Enter Axure Boutique in the value input, and then click the OK button. Preview the prototype. You can see that the phone number text has changed to Axure Boutique. You can add multiple actions under one event. Click the Add button under the action. Select Weight. The default is 1000 ms. That is OK. Then select the Set Text, search and select phone number, changing the text to 81. Preview the prototype. You can see that the text first changes to Axure Boutique, and after a while, changes to 81s. Let's add a click event. Click on New Interaction, select Page Click or Tap, select Show Hide, select Dynamic Panel, select Hide, and then click OK. Preview the prototype, and when you click on the blank space on the page, the content disappears.